Hey, hi everyone. So it's take lots of effort to make such videos. Please do subscribe. So first question is, which layer of OSI model is responsible for routing packets between different networks? Option A, data link layer. B option, network layer. C option, transport layer. D option, session layer. So the correct option is network layer. So next question is, normalizing a database table to remove partial dependency on a composite primary key brings it into which normal form? First normal form, second normal form, third normal form, or BCNF? So the correct option is second normal form. Moving to next question. Which SQL command is used to remove a table structure along with all its permanently? The options are delete, truncate, drop, remove. So the correct option is drop. Moving to next question. Which data structure follows the last in first out principle? LIFO principle. First option is queue, second is stack, third is linked list, fourth one is tree. So the correct answer is stack. Moving to next question. The UP features that allow a single function name to behave differently based on the arguments passed each called. First option is inheritance, second encapsulation, third polymorphism, third is abstraction. The correct option is polymorphism. Moving to next question. Which CPU scheduling algorithm can lead to the convey effect? First option is round robin, second option is first come first serve, third option is shortest job first, fourth option is priority scheduling. The answer is first come first serve. Moving to next question. An IP address of class B lies within which range? You have the given options. Please choose the correct one. The correct option is B. Moving to next question. Which SDLC model is best suited for projects which with rapidly changing requirements using short iterative cycles? The options are waterfall model, V model, agile model, or Big Bang model. Correct option is agile model. Moving to next question. In C, which of the following correctly declares a pointer to an integer? You have the given options. Please choose the correct answer. The correct answer is option B. Moving to next question. Which memory type is fastest but also the smallest and most expensive in the memory hierarchy? The options are cache memory, RAM, CPU register, or the secondary memory storage. So the correct option is option C, CPU registers. Moving to next question. A malicious program that disguises itself a legitimate software but performs harmful actions is called a option A worm, Trojan, option B Trojan horse, option C logic bomb, option D rootkit. So the correct answer is option B, Trojan horse. Moving to next question. The binary equivalent of the decimal number 45 is. You have the given answer. Options, sorry. So the correct option is option B. Moving to next question. A program that translates and executes source code line by line without producing an intermediate object file is. The options are compiler, interpreter, assembler, or the linker. So the correct option is option B, interpreter. Moving to next question. Which RAD label uses disk mirroring to provide fault tolerance without stripping? The options are RAD 0, RAD 1, RAD 5, or RAD 10. So the correct answer is option B, RAD 1. Moving to next question. In cryptography, using the same key for both encryption and decryption is known as. The options are asymmetric encryption, option B hashing, option C symmetric encryption, option D digital signing. The correct option is symmetric encryption. Moving to next question. Testing performed to check the internal logic and code structure of a program is known as. First option is black box testing, second option is white box testing, third option is alpha testing, fourth option is acceptance testing. So the correct option is option B, white box testing. Moving to next question. Which networking device operates at the data link layer and use MAC addresses to forward frame only to intended port? The options are hub, repeater, switch, or the router. The option is switch. Moving to next question. A column in a table that uniquely refers to a row in another table is called. The option is primary key, foreign key, candidate key, or the composite key. So the correct answer is option B, foreign key. Moving to next question. Which category of SQL command include create, alter and drop? Option A DML, option B DCL, option C DDL, yeah, option D TCL. The correct answer is option D DDL. Moving to next question. A system designed to monitor and control incoming and outgoing network traffic based on security rule is called a option A proxy server, option B firewall, option C gateway, option D antivirus. So the correct answer is firewall. Moving to next question. Which cloud service model provides only the underlying computing infrastructure such as virtual machine and storage? The option is SaaS, option B is PaaS, option C is IaaS, option D is FaaS. So the correct option is IaaS. Moving to next question. Which protocol is used to send email from a client to a mail server? Option A is POP3, option B is IMAP, option C is SMTP, option D is FTP. So the correct option is option C, SMTP. Moving to next question. In a singly linked list, each node contains data and option A pointer to a previous node, option B a pointer to next node, option C two pointer, one to each neighbor, option D an index into an array. So the correct option is option B. Moving to next question. Which SDLC model execute phases sequentially where each phases must be completed before the next begins? Option A spiral model, option B waterfall model, option C agile model, option D prototype model. So the correct answer is option B waterfall model. Moving to next question and the last question. A self-replicate malicious program that is spread across a network without needing to attach itself to a host file is called a option A virus, option B worm, option C Trojan horse, option D adware. So the correct answer is option B worm. I hope you enjoyed the video and please like and subscribe. Thank you.